Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify credit score changes in Credit Karma step by step clearly. First, open your web browser. Type in the URL for Credit Karma. Press enter to go to the Credit Karma website. If you already have an account, click on the login button. Enter your email address and password. Click on the login button to access your account. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Credit Karma dashboard. Locate the section labeled Credit Scores. Click on the option to view your credit score report. Scroll down to find a summary of recent changes. To see more details, click on Credit Score Changes. Review the changes listed to understand the factors affecting your score. You may also see insights on how your score has evolved over time. If needed, you can click on individual items for more information. Take note of any significant changes in your credit score. Consider setting credit monitoring alerts for future changes. This will help you stay informed about your credit health. Explore any recommendations for improving your score if available. Lastly, log out of your account for security once you are finished. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.